haatanna waxaad ku soo dhowaataan barnaamij ogeysiis ah oo runtii aan filayo inaad si wanaagsan aad uga bogan doontaan. Waa xarun ayagu lagu daweeyo dadka shilalka galaa. waa kan daawadayaal ku soo dhowaada. Dr. John oo dhinacayga midig fadhiya ayaan dhowr su-aaladood weydiinayaa oo ku saabsan bal waxqabadka ay chiropracticaas rugtaas chiropractica ay u qabato dadka ayagu patientska ah. haddaba waxaan su-aasha tell me a little bit about in general what this chiropractic they do the community.
Sure. Chiropractic works with neck and back pain primarily. We treat many different types of disorders that cause things like headaches and pain that goes into your arms or legs and pain in the spines. And we do that with a variety of different therapy techniques and by working directly at realigning your spine when it's been injured or when it's been damaged.
Did you tell me a little bit about something you think is good for the community, for the treatment or anything like that? Could you specify that question?
Explain how the treatment is good for people?
Yes.
Well, it helps to overcome pain, and that's always good. Many people have pain that's chronic, or they've been in an accident and been injured and they need to rehabilitate their pain so that they can go back to work, or that so they can do their normal activities, like cleaning the house and going and buying groceries and taking care of their children. And the impact on the community would be to help them be more productive. For example, people who suffer from headaches oftentimes can't go to work because of their headaches. So if we help them with their headaches so that the headaches go away, then they can once again go back to work. Does that make sense to you?
Yes. And the third question is, did you find out the injury before the treatment?
Sure. Whenever someone comes here as a new patient, we have them complete paperwork to explain to us some information about them and where they have pain or injury and how it makes them feel. Does it interfere with their sleep or with their work? And then we ask them questions, and then we perform an examination. Sometimes we get x-rays so that we can see what their spine looks like before we begin treatment. And then after we do all of those things, we outline for them a plan of care. Just like in any doctor's office, they would tell you what the treatment plan would be for your condition. So oftentimes that includes working directly with their spine and then using different types of therapy, like in a physical therapy clinic, where some of the therapies are machines that we use, and some of the therapies are things like stretching and exercise that we do to help people strengthen their muscles and get greater flexibility. They can do stretching so they can become more flexible, and all of those things help to rehabilitate injuries and problems with your spine.
If the people, they do more exercising or something, treatment, did you see some improvement?
Yes, we see in many patients, we see vast improvement in their condition. Injuries can be healed and brought back to normal just like they would in many other types of clinics, like physical therapy clinics. So we have great success with injuries. People who have chronic conditions, like they've had headaches for many years, and many or most of those patients, we see dramatic improvement and reduction in the pain, or we reduce how often they have headaches, or they completely go away. So we have great success with conditions that are ones that we can successfully treat.
What do you want to tell people they didn't come to your chiropractic? What do you want to telling them, and how you think is the people who come before and the people they don't come this clinic? How you want to say something about come and see us, and what are you going to say?
Well, we've done some work with this community in the past. We have staff people who can speak the language and can help Somali people who have challenges with paperwork. We can help them complete their paperwork. We can help them to understand their insurance. So we have staff that's very trained to assist them with any of the cultural problems that they might have. Also, we would love the opportunity to work with anybody who's been injured in an accident or anybody who has neck or back problems that they need help with. So we're providers for many insurance companies, and we can help them with their benefits and generally make their lives better. So I would encourage anyone from this community to come and talk to us or to call and ask for any of our staff people. Mary or Ian can certainly help them. And if they need interpreting, we have people available that can help them with that.
How many locations do you have in the city?
Well, we have one clinic here in Minneapolis, and then there's another clinic that that I have also that's located in the White Bear Lake area. So that's a little far away from this part of town, but there are 2 locations available.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
barnaamijkii gaarka ah ayaan ku eegaynay bal waxqabadka chiropractic-ga Midtown. Haddaba gabadha ayaan la yidhaaho iyadoo ka shaqaysa chiropractic-ga ayaan waxaa weydiiyey 2 su'aaladood oo ku saabsan bal waxqabadka chiropractic-ga iyo iyadu waxa ay ka qabato meesha. ayaan waxaad noo sheegtaa maxaad ka qabataa meesha?
intaa ka shaqeeya Soomaaliyaasha caawiya accident-ka galan luuqada Soomaalida la caawiya and inshallah we try to make
su'aasha labaad maxaad kula talinay dadka ayaga aan weli fursad u helin inay halka yimaadaan oo laga caawino maxaad is leedahay maanta way ku habboon tahay inaad tiraahdo?
meeshan there's good doctors staff yaal fiican joogan and si fiican la caawinayo.
mahadsanid.
daawadayaal intaasi waxaan ku soo koobaynaa xubintaasi ogeysiiska koobnaa